Back everyone to another TempTech video. Today we're going to be checking out 5 out of this world scientific uncoverings. The first image of a black hole. The Event Horizon Telescope, a planet-scale array of ground-based radio telescopes, has obtained the first image of a supermassive black hole and its shadow. The image reveals the central black hole of Messiah 87, a massive galaxy in the Virgo cluster around 50 million light-years away. While this may not look like much, what we are really looking at with this photo is truly phenomenal. Light that is pulled towards the black hole is either captured in the event horizon, known as the point of no return, or it is warped around the black hole and its trajectories change completely. The light that is surrounding the event horizon that we see is a convolution of billions of photons that have been skewed and warped in the direction of our planet. The appearance of a lighter and a darker side in the ring that we see represents the angle that we actually view this black hole from. This image is a monumental discovery for science as it further proves the physics that is used to explain our universe and provides new information to continue our exploration into the deep unknown. Zombie pig. Is the brain really dead when it is starved of oxygen for a prolonged period of time? That was the focus of a study which the results have been published in the Nature journal, revealing groundbreaking discoveries that could upend our thinking on life and death itself. As part of the experiment, the researchers created an artificial circulation system and connected it with the brains of the pig that had died just 4 hours prior. In doing so, the neuroscientists discovered that this successfully restored some of the key functions and structures within the donated brain. While there was no evidence that it restored consciousness of the pig, the results challenged the notion that mammalian brains are fully irreversibly damaged by a lack of oxygen. Post-asteroid life. On the last day of the Cretaceous period, a 7.5-mile asteroid slammed into Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula and changed the arc of life on Earth. 66 million years later, scientists have used supercomputers to recreate the devastation of that infamous impact in unprecedented detail. The models are helping to solve a long-standing mystery about what killed off the dinosaurs except the birds, and offering a new glimpse on how life on Earth responds to rapid environmental change. In the new study, Chiarenza and his colleagues used models to recreate Earth's ancient climate, tweaking the variables of various apocalyptic scenarios. These simulations revealed that the asteroid alone rendered the planet uninhabitable for all dinosaurs other than birds. Perhaps counterintuitively, the volcanoes which erupt numerous times over the 700,000 year period after the asteroid impact, known as the Deccan Traps, have actually made the Earth more hospitable, not less. The long-term warming the volcanoes caused wouldn't have eliminated the dinosaurs. If anything, it expanded the land they could comfortably inhabit. Even the most dimmering scenarios from the Deccan Traps did not wipe out the dinosaurs' ecological niche, and this new study proves that. Smart roads. There are many definitions for the term smart road, but the general consensus is that this is a type of roadway that will allow for technological integration into current transportation roadways. This includes, but is not limited to, functions such as generating power through solar panels, integration with self-driving cars and sensors, and structural maintenance monitoring systems. Smart highways have the opportunity to turn from serving a singular purpose in being the backbone of various countries' transportation systems to providing additional value through the generation of power, safety feature implementation, and gathering key data points for both drivers and transportation administrators. There are a few projects leading the way for smart road implementation, but as it stands, France is leading the way with the first 1 kilometer stretch of smart roadway being built at the end of 2016. The universe's first molecule. The scientists at NASA have continued to marvel us with their discoveries this year, with the confirmation of the universe's first ever molecule, helium hydride. Working backwards from the stars and planets that we see today, all the way back to the Big Bang, it's the logical conclusion that this molecule is inferred to be the first one to take shape after the Big Bang. But it could not be proven, and it could not be found anywhere in the universe. This wasn't until NASA's orbital telescope SOFIA was able to receive the transmission of helium hydride from deep space by searching for its signal, much like a radio FM transmitter. Helium hydride is 1 part helium and 1 part hydrogen, and their formation was the key to cooling the early universe after the Big Bang to allow for the cluster of gases which formed together to make the first stars and metals that we see in our universe today. And that's it for today's video, everyone. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and follow our socials, and we will see you in the next one.